On this episode of Flip to Riches.
You guys know who we are. Today, you prove to us who you are.
I feel a deal coming, PJ.
Objective is to get people excited or curious.
So you make $4,500 per appointment you set. That closes. You came here today to learn one thing, right? You came here to learn how to sell real estate, buy real estate.
They're gonna be killers, let me tell you.
People say, fuck you, don't call me.
To get them on the phone. Okay, great. Ray's only been doing it for a year. Ray's net worth went up over $600,000. I want to see of this group who's actually hungry, who is motivated to get on the phone, start closing deals so that they can really change their financial trajectory in this climate.
On this episode of Flip to Riches.
Going through the calls, trying to set an appointment. You will get paid on any deals that you set today. The beautiful thing is, you don't have to do any of the closing. You pull John, you pull Ray, you pull me, or you pull Brandon, and we close the deal, you get paid. How much you get paid? John will kind of break that down when he explains what wholesaling is. You came here today to learn one thing, right? You came here to learn how to sell real estate, buy real estate. Wholesaling is not owning any real estate. It's just the first step to make a lot of money that you can eventually buy real estate. But
okay, guys, we are behind. As we stand today, we're only at $100,000 with the goal to make $1 million. This is not good, but I got a great idea to round up some manpower, get them into the office, and we're gonna call it the Wholesaling Workshop. The purpose is to, number one, funnel more deals for us to buy, to flip, but also to teach these hungry individuals that they can make a lot of money doing it too.
Objective is to get people excited or curious. Get them on the line, go through these scripts, but really make it your own and have fun with it, and just try to get some deals.
But you make $4,500 per appointment you set. That closes, all right?
Oh man, we had a great buzz to everything. Everyone came in, they were excited. You could tell some people were nervous. You could tell which people were gonna be good. You could tell some of the people weren't gonna be as good. So it was cool to just get everybody in and just get to work.
I really had no expectations, honestly. If nobody showed up, I'd be making calls and the team would be making calls. And if everybody showed up, even better, we would all do it together. So the turnout was amazing.
Wholesaling is you're a middleman, right?
All right, wholesaling in a nutshell. You lock up a deal at a certain price, you find someone else to buy that contract at a higher price, and you keep the difference.
We picked 3 people today from this group. Those 3 people will get to actually join the team and will get to continue on with the support and eventually learn how to wholesale the whole step. All right, so let's go ahead and pair off. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is Monday, the most beautiful day of the week. We are hosting a live training event here at our office to teach people how to wholesale, and we're actually gonna be going through real calls with them, giving them real leads, because we know why? Because we can tell people what to do, but it's different when we can get them together and have them work and start closing some real deals. I got my man John right here. Introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? My name's Johnny, Bay Area investor. Been investing here for about 7 years and trying to teach these guys how to sell and make money.
Nobody is doing this in the Bay Area. Nobody is bringing them into the organization. Nobody is actually going to sit through, actually listen to their calls, tell them what to say, tell them how to say it so they can be really successful. Only us, guys.
It's all about the energy, guys. It's one thing to cold call when you're at home. It's another when you get everybody into a room. All that testosterone, all the energy. You're feeding off one another. There's nothing like it. Cold calling is like working out. The more practice you get in, the more reps you get in, the better you will become. I could tell that some people were uncomfortable and that was causing them to have a lot of fear, a lot of doubt, and the energy was kind of low. That's why we got them in the room. That's why we got me, Brandon, and Ray, and Johnny walking around, pumping them up.
She responds to her, trying to respond with
same thing is always got to find motivation. Like they're like, oh, I got a divorce, I need self. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Separate. You guys can go outside, set up the dual monitors, right? And I want to hear it. I want you guys to start fucking up. You will fuck up. 100%. All right? And I keep saying that because I want you guys to know that it's okay.
Messing up, stumbling, failing, it's all right. But look, if you quit, then you will always be average. But if you push through, take that one extra step, continue to persevere, you are on your way to greatness.
All right? Let's go for another 15 minutes.
Monster, I'm looking at you. I need my sponsorship. I'm drinking your stuff every single day.
We got a good group today, guys. You know why? Hungry. You can teach them scripts, you can teach them how to close, but you can't teach hunger. All the shit he just named. Don't insult them, but how are you going to solve it? Think of it that way. Come in from a position of like, how can I solve your problem? Whole thing streamlined, very simple, very easy. How does 5 o'clock on Friday sound? We can come out there, we'll give you a price. If it works for you, great.
How's it going, Ray? Good. Are you gonna make calls, PJ?
Everyone's doing great. Got good energy. People are practicing. I feel a deal coming, PJ. Feel a deal coming.
I will say one thing now that you guys are going to get on the phone, all right? I can't guarantee you'll be successful. The only person who can guarantee your success is yourself. Number one. Number two, the system works. Ray's only been doing it for a year. Ray's net worth went up over $600,000 doing this, all right? Ray's an introvert. So if you're looking out in the audience and you guys are like, I'm shy, I'm scared. Ray was also shy and scared. The difference is, on the phone, you could be Barack Obama. Swear to God. All right?
The thing about cold calling is this: a lot of people forget that they cannot see you. They can only hear you. They do not know that you're young, that you're old, that you're ugly, that you're short. Doesn't matter. On the phone, you can be anyone. Now, I'm not telling you to impersonate somebody because that's fraud. But what I'm telling you is that you can be confident. You can be stern. You can be nice. You can be whoever it is that you want to be. And I know you may be shy in real life. You may be an introvert. Nobody cares. On the phone, you are the master.
On the phone, nobody knows that you don't know jack about real estate, that you're young or you know, inexperienced. Nobody knows, nobody cares. They only care that you're here to provide a solution for them and their house. And the solution is money in their pocket. Let's go out, grab a computer, grab a screen, plug your laptop in, get your monitor set up, take a 5-minute bathroom break.
Brandon, have you ever cold called before?
I have cold called, but I never had to cold call for hours and hours on end.
Lucky man.
I'm just that good.
Get some water. I swear to you, do not fill up that cup all the way because I don't need you guys taking a bathroom break. All right?
How was your experience the first time you were cold calling?
The first time took a lot of time to make that call, and when I got on, I was pausing everywhere and didn't know what to say. Just constantly was like dead silence almost and it was really awkward. That was my first call.
You can only take a sip of water if somebody picks up the phone.
I probably took a lot of water breaks and bathroom breaks because I was so nervous.
All right, because if you ain't talking, you don't need water. If you guys get a live call, put the phone on speaker and then tag one of us. We're gonna try to make you guys as successful as possible.
Hi, good morning, Mrs. Collins. My name is Miguel. I'm giving you a quick phone call. Have a good day. Thank you, Mrs. Collins. Have a nice day.
Is that a deadly?
But just hypothetical question here. I could snap my fingers, right, and get you into any home of your dreams.
650-61.
All right. Smile, relax. Yeah. Chill.
Doing good, man. They're doing the hardest thing, which is picking up the phone and making the call. Getting rejected. That's the hardest thing. You know, the thing is, at home, if they were at home and they were doing this, they probably like halfway through, go get coffee, halfway through, go get water, halfway through, go eat breakfast. Not here. Because here, we're watching it. They can't go to the bathroom, so they get somebody on the phone. They can't drink water. Unless they get somebody on the phone.
So, how soon are you looking to move out of California? I know you said maybe down the road. Is any time frame ideally?
Yes. Well, I'm not sure if he lives there, but I'm looking for James.
Is that fine with you?
Oh, we're thank you.
I'm calling in regards to your property on Princeton Drive here in San Bruno. The reason I'm calling is because I represent a group of local investors here, and you know, we're highly interested. Say it again.
All right. Hey, call him back and hang up on him.
Yeah.
Do it right now. Call him back and hang up on him. You'll show him who's boss. Who's boss? You boss.
I'm the boss.
Yeah. Yeah. Damn right, you the winner. Look, cold calling is not easy, and you have to do what you gotta do to keep that energy up, right? And so in this situation, he got hung up on. What are you gonna let that happen? You're gonna let that just like put you in a bad mood? Hell no. Call him back and hang up on him. Show him who's in power. You get the last laugh. All right? Honestly, at the end of the day, it's gonna happen. So roll with it. Let it bounce off your shoulder. Let you come right back. Let him be mad. You ain't mess up my day. You can't mess up my day. I'm the king of the phone.
How do you be talking on the phone?
Bro, number one, when I'm on the phone, I make sure to stand up tall. I make sure to exert power, exert influence, and make the other person feel good. Raise your hand. Keep calling. Let's go.
So I don't think this is accurate. Is that accurate? And you want 3 million. So we're gonna have to.
Ask him, how did you come to 3 million price point?
How did you come to 3 million?
Oh, I said crazy money.
But come on, let's be realistic here. You have to. Come on. Is that?
I'm not.
Rookie mistake. Never argue with a client. Relax, take your time, and close the deal. But it's all right because you learned from it and you're gonna do better next time.
Okay, sounds good. I'll still call back just to verify with that around 5 p.m. today.
Hey James, how's it going? I'm calling about your property.
This guy told me he wants to tear it down and build his own ADU on top. So I'm like, I don't think he wants to sell that.
Okay, it doesn't sound serious.
Oh, an accountant, nice, awesome. Who do you typically work with? I'll give you a call Wednesday. You said he's typically off at 7, so I'll give you a call around 7:30 Wednesday.
Sure, that sounds good.
Awesome. Okay, I appreciate it, Abigail. And again, my name is Alexander, and I'll be giving you a call back on Wednesday.
Okay, thank you.
Please give me a call or shoot me a text if you have any questions in the meantime. Okay?
All right, thanks.
All right, no worries. You take it. Bye.
It's good, bro. That's all you can do.
Yeah.
She wasn't a full decision maker, but
Yeah.
now you got her going. She's nice. Hey, little baby wins. You're inching your way.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, holy shit.
Ray, Tuesday, tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh,
and he
shit.
says, shoot him back all of them. Holy shit.
You're only on 59 numbers.
45 minutes in, got a contact, got an appointment. So it's actually not that hard. It's just a numbers game. Get in, make the calls, get the appointment.
Good. All right. Keep going. You can have water now.
No worries.
First one. 60 numbers, one appointment. That's a good conversion.
Please feel free to shoot me a text or give me a call, okay?
This is maybe in a week.
I'm typically available in the evenings. Is 5 or 7 p.m. okay with you?
We got a couple appointments set, one listing appointment set, so I'd say that's a win. Dale did great. He asked a lot of questions and kept them on the phone for a really good amount of time. He negotiated down like, I want to say 40,000 off his initial asking price.
Bro, these killers they're doing well. They're setting appointments. They know, they're getting more of a feel for this, and they're getting more comfortable, and they're gonna be killers. I can tell you.
I mean, after the event, I felt really motivated and inspired by them, really.
What I have to say is you just took the first step to changing your life, all right? You could be like us, increase your wealth, increase your health, and get better.
Everybody who showed up took a chance. They didn't really know what to expect. They didn't know what they were getting into, but they showed up, those are the people who are gonna be the most successful. Because look, the truth is, in life, you're never gonna get the whole recipe. Sometimes you just gotta take that leap of faith, get that first ingredient or that first step, and run with it.
So I was inspired and motivated by everybody making those calls. So I went ahead and made some calls myself. Can't be teaching this stuff if I'm not doing it actively. So I was calling the distressed properties in South San Francisco and finally got a hold of one of the owners and set up an appointment.
Absolutely did not pay me.
So while Ray was working on that South San Francisco fixer, I secured the next project in Union City. Watch here.
On this episode of Flip to Riches,
I had a situation with a squatter. Damn! That is a huge no-no. We're gonna probably have them put a little bit of tan bark. Dave's hot chicken. Jesus Christ.
Oh, shit.
See, they left hella shit. More stuff for us to throw away. Hit that RSVP button, because you don't want to miss this.